Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson in science called Inside an Atom, and we will be learning about subatomic particles. The atomic structure. An atom is formed from the nucleus and the extranuclear part, and it contains three types of subatomic particles. The subatomic particles are the protons, electrons, and neutrons present in atoms. The atomic nucleus. The nucleus of the atom is positively charged. Almost the entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the center, that is the nucleus. You can see all around the nucleus, it is all empty space. And this nucleus has a positive charge. The nucleus contains two types of subatomic particles, that is the protons and the neutrons. Together, the protons and the neutrons are called nucleons. The first subatomic particle, the proton, it is positively charged subatomic particle present in the atomic nucleus. It is represented by the symbol P. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is the atomic number of that element, denoted by the letter Z. And the mass of one proton is approximately 1 Dalton. So you can see the red positive sign on each proton present in the nucleus of the atom. Next we have the neutron, also present in the nucleus of the atom. It is electrically neutral and is denoted by the symbol N. So, two particles in the nucleus of the atom. One is the proton, which is positively charged, and the second one is the neutron, which has no charge. The number of neutrons in the nucleus is denoted by the symbol N. Atomic nuclei of all the elements except hydrogen contain neutrons. So all elements have neutrons in their nucleus of their atoms except for hydrogen. Hydrogen has only one proton in its nucleus. The mass of a neutron is approximately 1 Dalton, which is equal to that of a proton. We now come to the extranuclear part of the atom. Okay. The extranuclear part in the atomic structure includes electrons revolving around the nucleus and the empty space in between the nucleus and the electrons. So all these shells here, the empty spaces in between and the electrons make up the extranuclear part. We now come to the electron, the third subatomic particle. It is negatively charged subatomic particle and is denoted by the symbol E. The mass of the electron is 1800 times less than that of an entire hydrogen atom, and therefore the mass of an electron is very, very negligible. That means it is much smaller than the protons and the neutrons. Electrons revolve in orbits or shells around the nucleus. Can you see the electrons moving around here? Okay. And the energy of an electron is determined by the shell in which it is present. Okay. So depending whether it is the first shell or the second shell or the third shell, the energy of those electrons changes. The number of electrons in the extranuclear part is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus. Same number of protons in the nucleus, same number of electrons in the shells going round the nucleus. Therefore, electrical charges are balanced. Positive and negative are balanced, and the whole atom becomes electrically neutral, meaning it has no charge. Now, an atom has two parts divided into the nucleus, which has protons which are positively charged, neutrons which have no charge. Together the protons and neutrons are called nucleons. Then we have another part of the atom which is the extranuclear part, and it has electrons in that extranuclear part. And so protons, neutrons and electrons are the three subatomic particles present in an atom.